Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia Walks. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed into my YouTube channel, please do so. It's free. So guys, on today's video we are diving deep into a very interesting topic: why Africans sold Africans to the slave trade. Africa, the cradle of humanity. Old stories that are both inspiring and heartbreaking. And one of the darkest chapters in the transatlantic slave trade are the period when millions of Africans were sold into slavery, often by their fellow Africans. But why? Why did this happen? Let me know in the comments below. So guys, to understand why Africans sold other Africans into slavery, we must first understand the context. Before European involvement, slavery existed in Africa. However, it was vastly different. It was often based on war captives, deaths, and punishment from maybe some crimes, and slaves were generally integrated into society over time. So, the arrival of Europeans in the 15th century changed everything. They brought with them a demand for labor to work on their plantations in the Americas. And African leaders were offered good guns, textile, and other valuables in exchange for prisoners of war, crimes, or even innocent people kidnapped from rival communities. And for many African rulers, this trade was an opportunity to strengthen their kingdoms. They used European weapons to expand their territories, defeating rivals, tribes, and taking captives. And these captives became commodities, traded to maintain power and wealth in ever-changing political landscape. And one thing you should know is that some African leaders resisted, seeing the devastating impact the slave trade had on their people. But for others, the economic and military benefits outweighed the moral cost. And these Europeans exploited existing rivalries, creating a cycle of dependency and destruction that made it nearly impossible to break free. And while Africans played a role in capturing and trading slaves, the transatlantic slave trade was orchestrated and driven by European powers. They built the forts, controlling the ships, and also dictated the terms of trade, ensuring that the system worked in their favor. Also guys, the impact of this slave trade on Africa was catastrophic. Entire regions were depopulated, kingdoms fell, and centuries of progress were undone. The social fabric was torn apart, leaving scars that are still visible even today. So, this story is not about blaming our ancestors, but about understanding the complexities of history. It teaches us about the dangers of greed, the consequences of division, and also the importance of unity in the face of exploitation. And guys, only by acknowledging the truth can we heal and ensure such tragedies never happen again. The story of this transatlantic slave trade is a shared history, a lesson for us all. So, the story of Africans selling other Africans into slavery is a painful but important chapter of our history. It's a reminder of how external forces can exploit internal divisions. So today, we must ask ourselves, what lesson have we learned from this? Are we protecting our unity, or are we allowing new forms of exploitation to divide us? So guys, let's talk about this. What are your thoughts on this history? How does it affect the way we view Africa and the diaspora today? Drop your comments below and let's keep this conversation going. And so guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. If you found this video insightful, share with your friends also. Together, we can shed light on our past and build a brighter future. See you in the next video. Bye bye.